www.muslimcentral.com/donate.
One of the categories you've mentioned, an insane person, is exempted. Why is this?
The insane person is exempted because the same hadith that I quoted earlier, our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in the hadith of Tirmidhi, hadith number 1423, that the pen is lifted from three categories of people. A child till he reaches puberty, a person who's sleeping till he wakes up, and a person who's insane till he becomes a sound mind. So this the Prophet has exempted, and they are free from fasting. The reason is because one of the criteria for the fasting to be accepted is niyyah, is intention. And intention can only be made by a person who's sane, who's sound in mind. Only if he's sound can he willingly intend to fast. If he's insane, he cannot. So that's the reason, if an insane person, whether he fasts or not, it doesn't make a difference at all. It is, he's exempted. And once he becomes sane, he does not have to compensate also for the fast as well, because he's not responsible for that. He's not held responsible. So that's the beauty of Islam. They only held responsible